Hey guys, so this is a video on a fake Dainese jacket. I got this jacket alongside my scooter. I have a Vespa 150, and this is the jacket that came with it. So just to let you know, this is a fake Dainese jacket. How you can tell is that the build quality is kind of subpar. In fact, as you can see here, the camera focus. This zipper, it broke off after about 100 Ks. I think about 1000 Ks of usage. The zipper broke off and I couldn't zip the damn jacket up. And you can see here, this is where the zipper should be. Man, that thing freaking broke off. This thing does not have ventilation. It's like really hot in the afternoon. You can see it's all like this funny material. It does not vent in the summer at all. Yeah, also I'd like to note that this is the kind of paddings you get. You get this shitty, very crappy foam back protector. Just fit there. Look at that. That won't protect your back. And for here, we get these cheap foam padding. They're pretty crap as well. Yeah. In case you're not too familiar, this is let's see, it's a Dainese size L. Not too sure what brand is this. I don't even know what brand is this, man. Yeah, have a look. This is what it is at the back. Yeah, let's let the camera focus. Yeah, so one of the features, it comes with 2 side pockets, one at each side. And so that's about it. That's about the features. It's a very basic jacket. Comes with a hip, shoulder and back protector, but it's bad. This jacket is terrible, man. So yeah, guys, don't waste your money looking to buy cheap gear. Get quality gear, man. Your body is worth more than, I think this is about like $90, man. It's super cheap, man, but yeah, value your body more. These foam paddings here, I don't think they'll protect you at all in a crash. Look at that. Damn, boy. And especially this. Yeah, it's really crap. It's actually really small. Look at that. It's pretty small, yeah. I have another jacket with a CE level 2 back protector. It's like super thick, man. Like what? This thick. And it's like huge, man. I think it's like here, covers like one big spot. So yeah, thanks for watching and remember to subscribe.